Good day, good day, good day. This is Dennis. I wrote up a letter for my social disability, Social Security and Disability, SSI and ssdb. I'm applying for, and this is my letter here. First side is the conditions and everything for the application. This is to make things a little bit easier to go through the screening process to see if I'm qualified. Good day, good day, good day. Hi, Dennis Joseph Evans Jr. am sending this letter in with my application for a little better understanding with information towards the screening process. Thank you very much. Rheumatoid arthritis. I started working out. I started my workout program my last year lobster fishing in year 2021. Watched my health decline since 2019 slowly. Been working on recovery since 2021, and I am earning. This is the questionnaire. If I'm earning $1,350 per month. That's if I'm making $1,350 and under, I will qualify. And currently living off of social assistance ration, that puts me under 1,000 per month. So I qualify. Check one. With that, anyways, my monthly net wage is 600 to 900, which is under 1,350 per month. All right. Now to symptoms. Hip and back, or back and hips down to feet, is affected my capability to do much labor work or physical ability to lift heavy weights, and it puts physical stress on my heart. I had 2 small heart attacks and pneumonia. Question: does the individual meet or equal a listing with rheumatoid arthritis and my monthly earnings? That's the first 2 I qualify for. And I just named out the symptoms. And then I covered 2 of the listings needs for so far. When my RA flares up, it'll highly likely trigger a medical chain reaction, which flares up one of the other 2 disabilities: a heart murmur, heart arrhythmia, and asthma. I got a heart disease. Signed, not done yet. I, Dennis Joseph Evans Jr., was diagnosed at the age of 1 year old. My first year was 2014, and my last year was 2021, lobster fishing. I had plans to make a return, but not this year. Getting geared up for after summer. Started at the age of 17 years old. Was year of 2014. I got a good 7 years in. My last year was 2021. I was 24. I'll be 27 years old in this June. I, Dennis Joseph Evans Jr., this is what I plan to do with it. I, Dennis Joseph Evans Jr., earn 10,000 yearly net wages total from social assistance and ration. If I can get work, I could increase my overall net wages worth yearly. If I create multiple sources of work with my company, 1414 Lagoon Tempest, I would be increasing my overall net wages worth with multiple sources of income towards my headquarters boarding house. I'm going to run all my businesses from headquarters, side project, homesteading area. Got ahead of myself there. But anyways, I'm gonna do next to my headquarters in the back in the extra area of the plot that I get working on. I'll be able to grow and gather my own produces and products and provide food for a livelihood, like gathering food and stuff like that. I don't know, type of situation, trying to going towards independent. Make it easy to save money. For 1414 Lagoon Tempest for its independence. Furthermore, I and my company are fully willing to cooperate and coexist with others. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciate everything. Signed, Dennis Evans Jr. And then I got all my address and everything in here. All my information that is going to be attached with the letter and the application.